James Webb Space Telescope is identifying objects in the dark ages that, by best measurements we have, are large, fully developed galaxies.
The James Webb Telescope has just unveiled a revelation that promises to take our understanding of the universe to extraordinary heights. But what does this newfound knowledge mean for humanity's place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos? Brace yourselves as we embark on a thrilling journey through the cosmos, exploring the exact scale of the vast, mysterious universe we call home. How big is our universe? Is it never-ending or infinite? What's its size? These questions have been intriguing scientists for a long time. But now, thanks to the James Webb Telescope, we can look back in time and explore the vastness of space to find some answers. The James Webb Telescope has allowed us to see billions of years into the past, showing us how the universe came into existence and revealing where it ends and what lies at its edge. However, the discoveries made by this telescope have surprised scientists as they challenge some of the fundamental laws of physics. To understand the vastness of the cosmos, let's first look at the distance between the Sun and the Earth. The Sun, that bright fiery orb in the sky, is incredibly far from us, about 149.6 million kilometers, 92.9 million miles away. Scientists use a unit of measurement called an astronomical unit, AU, to make it easier to grasp such vast distances. 1 AU is roughly 149,598,000 kilometers, 92,955,887 miles. Now let's try to comprehend the immense size of the entire universe. Scientists believe it stretches about 93 billion light-years across. A light-year is the distance that light can travel in 1 year, which is about 9 trillion kilometers, 6 trillion miles. To put it into perspective, a single light-year equals around 63,000 astronomical units. But here's the mind-blowing part. The 93 billion light-years we can observe currently is just a fraction of the whole universe. Scientists think that the entire universe might be at least 250 times larger than what we can see now. This means the universe itself could have a diameter of at least 7 trillion light-years. Now, let's talk about two special space probes called Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. These brave explorers were launched back in 1977, and they have traveled farther into space than any other human-made objects before them. They have gone about 23 billion kilometers, or 14 billion miles away from Earth. That's far. But when we compare their speed to the speed of light, they are moving quite slowly. Voyager 1 travels at around 61,000 kilometers per hour, or 38,000 miles per hour, and Voyager 2 is a bit slower, going at approximately 55,000 kilometers per hour, or 34,000 miles per hour. Even though this speed seems fast to us, it's only a tiny fraction of the speed of light. This means that their progress in space is relatively small compared to how fast light can travel. As we explore more of space, we see beautiful patterns of stars called constellations. One of them is called Hydra, and it's the largest among all the recognized constellations. It stretches over a huge area in the night sky and contains many stars, with one of the brightest ones being called Alphard, which is about 177 light-years away from us. Continuing our journey through space, we come across the Andromeda constellation, named after a mythical princess in Greek mythology. Inside Andromeda is the Andromeda Galaxy, also known as M31, which is an enormous spiral galaxy located about 2.537 million light-years away from us. This galaxy is truly massive, with a diameter of about 220,000 light-years and an estimated 1 trillion stars. Thinking about the number of stars within just one galaxy fills us with wonder and reminds us of how unimaginably vast the cosmos is. Let's explore our cosmic neighborhood and some fascinating galaxies. Our own home is the Milky Way, a splendid galaxy with a beautiful spiral shape. It has countless stars twinkling in the night sky, adding to its magnificence. Scientists estimate that the Milky Way contains an astonishing 200 to 400 billion stars, which is a huge number. As we venture beyond our galaxy, we encounter other major galaxies, like the Triangulum Galaxy, situated about 3 million light-years away. It spans around 60,000 light-years and has about 40 billion stars, with delicate arms extending gracefully across space, captivating astronomers and stargazers with its celestial beauty. The Whirlpool Galaxy, located around 23 million light-years away, is another captivating sight. It showcases a fascinating interaction between two galaxies, dancing around each other due to gravity. The Whirlpool Galaxy spans about 60,000 light-years and dazzles us with its radiant splendor. Then there's the Sombrero Galaxy, around 29.3 million light-years away. It earned its name because it looks like a wide-brimmed Mexican hat. With a diameter of about 50,000 light-years, it has a distinct dust disk surrounding a prominent bulge at its center, giving it a unique appearance. The magnificent Pinwheel Galaxy, also known as Messier 101, is around 21 million light-years away. It's a spiral galaxy with an impressive diameter of 170,000 light-years, and its spiral arms are adorned with countless stars, creating a captivating tapestry that beckons us to explore its mysteries. These galaxies are just a glimpse of the countless others that populate our universe. Each galaxy has its distinctive characteristics, composition, and distance from us. Our universe is vast and awe-inspiring, filled with cosmic wonders that surpass our wildest imaginations. When we gaze at the night sky, we are humbled by the sheer vastness of the cosmos. To understand the immense distances between celestial objects, let's consider the speed of light, which is about 299,792 kilometers per second. For example, the star Alphard in the Hydra constellation is roughly 177 light-years away. If we could travel at the speed of light, it would take us 177 years to reach that star. The closest star system to our solar system, Alpha Centauri, is approximately 4.24 light-years away. Even at the speed of light, it would take over 4 years to reach it. The Andromeda Galaxy is mind-bogglingly distant, about 2.537 million light-years away. At the speed of light, it would take over 2.5 million years to reach it. We often hear that our universe is about 13.8 billion years old, but we are not completely sure about its exact age. Sometimes we struggle to figure out how old things are even here on Earth, let alone in the vastness of space. When we think about how many stars and planets there are and the incredibly huge distances between them, along with the fact that the universe is always getting bigger, it seems possible that it could go on forever. The idea of an infinite universe doesn't sound too crazy when we consider how unimaginably vast and old it is. It would take an unimaginable amount of time to explore everything in it. Our minds play tricks on us, and it's hard to truly understand the real nature of the universe. If we look around our world, we notice patterns like day and night, hot and cold, love and hate. Everything seems to have limits. So, it's not easy for us to imagine something like the universe being infinite. But even if we could reach what we think is the end of the universe, it would still feel endless to us because of its vastness and our limited understanding. As for whether the universe will last forever, we don't know yet. It may keep expanding forever, but by the time any potential end happens, humanity might not be around to witness it. The concept of time and the universe's fate become very complex when we think about such vast timescales and possibilities. We, humans, are naturally curious and wonder about the universe's fate and our place within it. Throughout history, we've made great strides in understanding the cosmos, but with each answer, new questions arise, and there's still so much we don't know. Scientists have come up with different theories about the universe's nature and destiny, but they are based on observations and mathematical models and are still uncertain. One theory suggests the universe will keep expanding due to dark energy, leading to a cold, lifeless expanse. Another theory proposes cycles of expansion and contraction, where the universe goes through periods of renewal. Thanks to the remarkable James Webb Telescope, humanity's understanding of the cosmos has taken a quantum leap, yet we remain humbled by the countless mysteries that continue to beckon us from the furthest reaches of space.